Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you what's inside the box of the Xiaomi multifunctional rice cooker 4 liters. So we have a button right here that says Xiaomi. Now we need to press it, and after we press it, we need to be careful to not hit anything. After we press it, we can just simply open it up. And as you guys can see inside, we get a paper box so that we protect everything. We also have something right here. Now you can also remove it. I'm talking about this. You can just remove it by pressing it on one and the second side. And you can easily place it back. Just make sure that you center it and it pops back in. So now we are going to see what's inside the box here. So first we get the cable that we need to use to plug our cooker in. We also get the warranty notice. So this is very important for later. I'm gonna keep it here. And of course we get 1 spoon for soup. Now we get another spoon which is a bit flat and it is for rice. So we get 2 spoons and we got a cup that we use to measure the rice that goes right here. So also this is like a stir tray. So here's our something that we can easily just stir up. And as you guys can see here, we can close it. And here we have all of the options. So this is what we can make here. Now this is our stir or steam pot, and that's basically what you guys get inside here. Of course, here you can also just take it out and clean it. We get the measures right here. You guys probably won't be able to see this, but here we have the measures on how we're supposed to use it. And here we have the portions for rice and congee. So after we place it back in, everything is good. So now let's put this back in and let's close it for now. So that's basically what's inside the box of your Xiaomi multifunctional rice cooker 4 liters. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.